On our hair menu today is Trini Locs by Glance Braid. If you want to see how I achieved this lock style, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiki Well. I'm about to get my hair done again and I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm doing another kind of like a braided look, but it's locks, of course, crochet braids as always. And it's some locks that I found, but I wanted to show you all the braid pattern, and I'm doing like more like a zigzag pattern to be able to braid my cornrows this time, because I'm not, I just want to try this pattern out to see if I like it or not. I hear it gives more like a single braid type of look to your crochet, so I'm trying it out. And to do the zigzag, all I do, I already have this pattern, but I'm like, maybe I should show you guys. But what I do is I just go in, like I've gone like so. I pat one section like so, pat the first section, then use the comb, the tail of the comb, and pat one section and open, and then take the comb, pat again and open. That's how I get my zigzag pattern, because to use the comb like so, to go up and down is very hard. To do up and down is very hard. So just pat the first one, pat, go in, pat the second part, go in again, pat it, go, pat, and that's how you get it. It's a little bit more work, but it's doable. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this final 2 braids and I'll be back. We'll take a look at the hair. I found some hair, it's nothing out of the ordinary. The same lock, crochet braids, but I'll show you guys in a minute. So keep watching, guys. So I'm done with my cornrows. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cornrows going to the back. Okay, now this might look like a middle cornrow where it's like 5 here, 5 here, and a 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So really, this middle is supposed to be right here, okay? But the way I did the zigzag braid, this braid happened to have fallen in the middle, and it's okay. We're not trying to really have a middle pad or nothing. And I'm just gonna go in with my my growth oil here and oil my scalp here, because we need some oil on the scalp, girls. It doesn't get so dry. I realize that when it's dry, it's when it starts to get really itchy. Scalp is oil. This is what the back looks like. Okay. So for the hair, this is what I found at the store. It's a regular lock crochet braid, and it has a little bit of a wavy pattern. Nothing too special about it, and I got it in the color T30. We need a little bit of color in our lives. I usually do burgundy and wine, but today we're gonna do a little bit of a brown. It's called Trini Locs. It's by Glance Braid. It says, or the company is model Glance Braid. Yeah, so Trini Locs is 14 inches. And it only cost me $8.99, and I got 4 packs, so that's a total like $36 thereabouts, because 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus it's about 36, plus if you add tax, maybe about $40 only for this style. Okay, so there's 3 bundles in the pack. There's 3 of them. One, 2, 3. Okay, there's 12 in each bundle. Okay, each of these bundles have 12, and there's 3 of them, so it's a total of 36 in a pack. Girls, so I have done this much of my hair, and I have done 4 cornrows so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have this feet one to do, and then this side. And this braid pattern again is a zigzag pattern type of braid. You make a zigzag pad, but you braid it straight back. Okay, so this braid pattern is by Beauty Can Braid. So I'm trying it out to see if I really like it and if it really does make the, you know, braided looks like or lock looks look more natural. So keep watching. Let's see the end of this. Okay, lovely ladies, so I'm almost done with this crochet. I know I'm looking crazy. This color and then the way it's sitting. Quack, quack. Okay. But I like it. So, but, okay. So in doing this crochet, instead of going my normal way of where I use my, you know, left hand for the left side and my right for the right side, I went the opposite direction. Because you know, this style or braid pattern and install is by Beauty Can Braid. So I am kind of trying this out to see if I like it. So this is how I install it. I installed it the opposite way to my normal way of doing my crochet, okay? And then for this side, instead of going like so, I went in like so, okay? Oops, I don't see this pin and this pin, So I always have to close it like so, if not, it's a hot mess. I know some people go in open, but I find it harder doing it that way with it open. So anyway, and I do it that way, and like you saw, I just, because it already has a loop like so, you know, this one is very rough, this hair. I don't think it's gonna last me more than 2 weeks, but it's okay because I only spent about $30-something on the hair itself. You know what I mean? So 2 weeks is fine. If I get 2 weeks out of this hair, I'm good with it. So this is how I install it. Go in. I did not even do it twice, just one time, and I think that's enough. Okay, and this front, I think with this front you could go either way. As a matter of fact, I've been coming from this side because the braid is right in the middle, so it doesn't matter. But when you do your hair, you will figure out, or when you braid your hair, you figure out how you want to do it. For me, because I made that one right in the middle, it could go either way, okay? And I was leaning a little bit more towards this side for the install. So, oh, this hair is rough, honestly. So, yeah, that's it. So this is really all I did for the install. And that's that. And that's it. And this is what it looks like. It's very different. I feel like I look crazy and I feel like I put a lot of hair in, okay? This was 3.5 packs. 3.5 packs. I thought I was gonna do 2, but this is 3 packs, girls. Girls, so I did not film the last part to this video. So what I'm doing is showing you guys, you know, how I wore this hair. And these are just, you know, videos I took on my daily. And I'm showing you different ways I wore the hair. As you can see, there was no pad to it. So, you know, after like a day or two, the hair kind of relaxed and would just fall naturally. Well, not naturally, but you know what I mean. And it looked okay. It looked good actually. I was satisfied with the hair. At the end of the day, I was satisfied with it. Even though during the install, I was like, "Oh lordy." During the install, I was like, "What have we done?" Okay. Now, but I have to be honest and say, because I did not wash the hair prior to installing it, I was itching bad. And I think this is the second, you know, lock style that is just itching. You know, I'm getting a lot of itching from it. But after like, you know, a week
not even up to a week, maybe let's say 5 days, the itching subsided because I was using my growth oil. My growth oil has a little bit of meat in it, has peppermint in it, and so it kind of helped, the itching, and the itching just stopped. Okay, but I couldn't keep this hair for too long. I kept it for 2 weeks. Again, that was the plan, to wear it for 2 weeks. Of course, they say lock style still looks good after, when it gets old, but I was ready for the hair to be done. Okay, so that's it. And thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Kisses, lovers.